Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the VEWIOR 5.3 air fryer with viewing window. This air fryer promises to be a game changer in the kitchen with its large capacity, smart digital touchscreen, and 7 custom presets. But is it worth your money? Let's find out. First, let's start with the unboxing. The VEWIOR air fryer comes well packaged, and inside the box, you'll find the air fryer unit, a non-stick basket, and a user manual. The initial impression is that the build quality is solid and the design is sleek. First off, let's talk about the features. The VEWIOR air fryer comes with a 5.3 quart capacity. To put that into perspective, it can easily fit a whole chicken or up to 3 pounds of fries. This makes it perfect for families or for those who love hosting dinner parties. Imagine being able to cook enough food for everyone in one go. Another standout feature is the viewing window. This is not something you see in every air fryer. The window allows you to monitor your food as it cooks without having to open the basket and let the heat escape. This ensures consistent cooking and better results. Now let's talk performance. I've tested this air fryer with a variety of recipes from classic fries to a full roasted chicken. The results have been impressive across the board. The hot air circulation technology ensures that the food cooks evenly and comes out crispy on the outside, while remaining tender and juicy on the inside. For instance, these fries were done in just 15 minutes and came out perfectly golden and crunchy. When it comes to build quality and durability, the VEWIOR air fryer does not disappoint. The materials feel sturdy and well made. The non-stick basket is both durable and easy to clean, which is a huge plus. No one likes spending ages scrubbing pans. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means you can just pop it in the dishwasher and let it do the work for you. The outer body also stays cool to the touch, ensuring safety during use. Ease of use is another strong point for this air fryer. The digital touchscreen is very intuitive. You just need to select your desired preset or manually set the temperature and time. The viewing window, as I mentioned earlier, adds to the convenience, allowing you to keep an eye on your food. The basket slides in and out smoothly, making it easy to load and unload your food. Let's compare the VEWIOR air fryer with some other popular models like the Philips XXL and the Ninja Foodie. While the Philips offers similar cooking capacity and the Ninja Foodie has multiple cooking functions, the VEWIOR stands out with its unique viewing window and lower price point. This makes it a more budget-friendly option without compromising on key features. I've also looked at what other users are saying about the VEWIOR air fryer. Many customers praise its ease of use and the convenience of the viewing window. Some common complaints include the noise level of the fan and the larger size, which takes up more counter space. To keep your VEWIOR air fryer in top condition, here are a few maintenance tips. Always clean the basket and tray after each use to prevent buildup. Avoid using metal utensils that can scratch the non-stick coating. Additionally, make sure to regularly check and clean the air intake and exhaust vents to ensure optimal performance. In terms of energy efficiency, the VEWIOR air fryer uses significantly less energy compared to a traditional oven. Its rapid air circulation technology cooks food faster, which also means shorter cooking times and lower energy consumption overall. Safety is always a priority, and the VEWIOR air fryer includes several safety features such as an automatic shutoff, cool touch exterior, and overheat protection. These features help prevent accidents and ensure a safe cooking environment. Now let's address value for money. Priced competitively, the VEWIOR 5.3 quart air fryer offers a lot of features typically found in more expensive models. Considering its performance, ease of use, and the added convenience of the viewing window, it provides excellent value. To sum it up, here are the advantages and disadvantages of the VEWIOR 5.3 quart air fryer advantages. 1. Large 5.3 quart capacity. The VEWIOR air fryer offers a generous 5.3 quart capacity, which means you can cook large portions in one go. This is perfect for families or anyone who likes to entertain guests. You can easily fit a whole chicken or make a big batch of fries to feed everyone without needing to cook in multiple batches. 2. Viewing window to monitor cooking. One of the standout features is the viewing window. This allows you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks, without having to open the basket and lose heat. This not only ensures consistent cooking but also helps you prevent overcooking or burning your food. 3. Smart digital touchscreen with 7 custom presets. The smart digital touchscreen is user-friendly and comes with 7 custom presets for popular dishes like fries, chicken, steak, fish, shrimp, pork, and even cake. These presets take the guesswork out of cooking, allowing you to achieve perfect results with just one touch. 4. Non-stick dishwasher-safe basket. Cleaning up is a breeze with the non-stick basket, which ensures that food doesn't stick and is easy to wipe clean. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so you can just pop it in the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleanup. 5. Sturdy build quality. The build quality of the VEWIOR air fryer is impressive. It feels solid and durable, which means it can withstand regular use without any issues. The materials used are high quality, giving you confidence that this appliance will last for years. Disadvantages? 1. The larger size may take up more counter space. While the large capacity is a great advantage, it also means that the air fryer takes up more counter space. If you have a small kitchen or limited counter space, you might find it a bit bulky. Make sure to measure your available space before purchasing. 2. The fan can be a bit noisy during operation. Another point to consider is the noise level. The fan, which is essential for circulating hot air and cooking food evenly, can be a bit noisy. If you're sensitive to noise or prefer a quieter kitchen environment, this might be a minor inconvenience. Overall, the VEWIOR 5.3 air fryer is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially for those looking to cook healthier meals without sacrificing taste. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile air fryer, this one is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get your own VEWIOR air fryer and elevate your cooking game. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews. Let me know in the comments what product you'd like me to review next. See you next time.